Hi everyone, just a very quick talk on using marigolds, how to deadhead them, and then using them in your garden. So you can see that we have all kinds of marigolds here and really loving the colors. They're very vibrant, especially on kind of a gloomier day. The orange is just really popping. And marigolds are, again, they're one of our customer favorites. They're easy to grow. For us, they're easy to seed and to get them to come up. And these are just popping now, so they're not ready to be dead to start the deadheading process, but it's still easy to show. So I want to have you zoom in here and take a look here where the stem meets the head of the flower. When this flower is done, just go ahead and nip that right off. It pops right off. And if you're doing a lot of deadheading with your gardens and with your displays of marigolds, marigolds smell, all right? They have a very pungent odor to them, which is what keeps the pests away. So the deer and the little critters, the bunnies, they do not like the smell of marigolds. So when you're deadheading, and if you're doing a lot of deadheading, you might want to use gloves because your fingers will smell nasty. But it's a good thing because it really does help to keep the critters out of your garden. So if you have areas in your yard that you don't want the deer or the little bunnies that come up and nibble on your flowers, go ahead and plant some marigolds. Now, don't just throw the heads of the marigolds away. Go ahead and save them. Take a little pot or something, and as you go through and deadhead to clean up, and it's very quick, you can just go right through here, nip these right off, boom, boom, boom. Save them, okay? Grab a little pot, save them. And around your garden, go ahead and put the marigolds, and you can break them up, you can chop them up a little bit. The whole thing smells. Sprinkle it around your garden. It will help make a little barrier to keep the critters out. It's not foolproof, all right? The only way to absolutely 100% guarantee that you don't have critters coming into your garden is a fence. But a lot of people have good luck by planting marigolds around their garden or sprinkling the marigold heads around the garden, and it does make a barrier that they don't like. They don't like the smell, and they typically will stay away from it. So we do have other flowers that the deer and the critters don't like. We're going to be talking about that on a different day, but I just wanted to show you the marigolds and how easy they are to clean up. And I just really want to show this new color that we have this year. This is called Fireball, and that's a really neat red. It's really vibrant. So that one's one that we're pretty excited about this year. So we have a lot of marigolds here, and we're growing some more. We'll be opening up end of April, May 1st. The greenhouses will be getting opened up. So we're getting prepared and getting ready for you to come on in. Talk to you later. Have a great day. Thanks.